Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix too many request error when logging into Hotmail. If you ever get this issue that it says that too many logins when you're trying to get into your Hotmail, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So just simply go to the browser and then just go to Outlook. Once you get onto that page, then you just have to simply try to log in with your account. So here we have this option called sign in. Click onto it, then it will just take a while into the loading. And once the loading gets done, then it will ask you to add your email address and password like your credentials. So just simply add your email address there, then click on next, and after that it will ask you to enter your password. Make sure you're adding the correct email address and correct password. In case you don't do it, then it will not allow you to log in. It will say that incorrect password or incorrect ID. So once you have entered the password but it says too many requests on the top left side, this is actually an issue which is sort of a glitch from the Hotmail or the Outlook. So the team of Outlook or the Hotmail are trying to fix this issue while we have to cope with it. So what you can do is that you can keep refreshing the page, because if you keep doing it in your fifth or sixth time it will work, and after that it will ask you to enter password. If it works, then okay, otherwise again go to that first page and then add your email address once again and then add your password once again. And once you do so, and it will log into your account. But let's say if it does not work for you, then you can just simply change your browser or open another tab, or maybe change your internet. Otherwise you will see you will get logged in once you try to refresh it once or twice. So that's how you can get login into your Hotmail without getting any issue. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.